Hey everyone, this is Greg. I'm just making this quick video to show you where to find the Golden Touch, which is one of the 4 choices you can pick to read for your English 3 course in Module 2. So as you can see, I'm here on my English 3 homepage under Activities. This probably looks familiar. If you scroll down, you'll see the pacing guide, the live sessions, and then you keep scrolling. There's my video. Here you go. So in Module 2, you click on Module 2, and then it'll open up. You can see what the objectives are and everything. Required reading, options and instructions. I wonder if I should click on this. I'm going to say yes. Let's go for it. All right, here's 2 options. Required reading instructions or the Golden Touch. Now, if I want to find the Golden Touch, which of these should I click on? I'm going to pick this one, the Golden Touch. Here you go. The following option is available. This one is free, so here, you can access this by using the included attachment. Where would I find an attachment? Let's see. Let's look around. Well, first of all, here it is right here. So you can read it right here, or if you want to download it to your phone or something, here, wherever you see a paperclip, attachments. You click on that, and here it is, the PDF. You click on that, and it'll let you download it to wherever you want to download it. Okay? There you go. I hope that helped. Have a great time and enjoy. And don't forget to book your English 3 Skype session. I sent you an email a week ago, so look for that email. Book your Skype session now, and read the instructions for the email carefully so you come prepared. And don't forget to call me for your Skype session. I am not going to call you. It's your job to call me. All right, see you later.